If you are still listing items on eBay manually, typing descriptions, guessing prices, and cropping photos, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month. Your competitor isn't just working harder than you, they're working smarter using a tool you probably already have access to: artificial intelligence. In the next 24 minutes, I'm going to reveal 11 specific, actionable ways to integrate AI into your eBay workflow. This isn't just theory, we're covering tools that 1. Cut your listing time by 80%. 2. Guarantee competitive pricing in real time. 3. Help you find the next profitable item to sell before anyone else. By the end of this, you'll have a complete AI blueprint to dominate the eBay marketplace. We've broken these 11 strategies into 3 categories: efficiency, profit, and scale. Don't skip ahead. The first section on efficiency is where we eliminate the 80% of tasks that burn your time. Let's jump in. Let's start by tackling the biggest time waster for any eBay seller: creating a listing from scratch. A single listing can easily take 10 minutes. The first hack is to use an AI-powered listing tool that generates an entire draft listing from a single photograph. eBay itself has a feature called the Magic Listing Tool. Take one clear picture, upload it, and the AI analyzes the image, identifies the brand, model, and color, and generates a suggested title and description. This single step transforms a tedious 10-minute task into a 60-second review process. Actionable tip: always check the AI-generated specifics, but let it do the initial heavy lifting. Your job is to be the final quality control. Your photos are the single most important element. Bad photos scream amateur seller and cause buyers to scroll right past your listing. Use AI image editing tools like eBay's background removal tool to instantly create studio-quality white background photos. Free third-party websites like remove.bg do the exact same thing with incredible accuracy. This is a non-negotiable hack. Here is an actionable tip: experiment with different AI-generated lifestyle backgrounds for categories like apparel or collectibles to help buyers visualize the item. The next battle for visibility is won in the item-specific section. Many sellers fill in the basics but then stop, leaving a huge amount of search traffic on the table. Prompt a large language model like ChatGPT with your core title and description, and ask it to generate a comprehensive list of high-ranking, relevant item specifics. The AI will suggest terms that a passionate buyer is typing into the search bar, helping you outrank lazy competitors. Over time, your old listings can become stale, with outdated policies or missing keywords. Manually auditing them one by one is an impossible task. Use bulk editing AI tools to review and update hundreds of old listings simultaneously for common errors. This scales up optimization from one listing at a time to your entire inventory. It's how you manage a catalog, not just individual listings. Now that we've eliminated the manual labor, let's talk about the AI strategies that directly impact your bank account. Before we move on, if you're finding these strategies helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. Subscribing ensures you won't miss the next sections on profit and scaling. Your support helps us create more in-depth content just like this to help you grow. Thank you. For most sellers, pricing is a complete guessing game, but the market is not static, it's alive, with prices fluctuating daily. Implement an AI pricing tool that constantly monitors the market to dynamically adjust your listing price. It ensures your item is always priced competitively, without leaving profit on the table during high-demand periods. Caution: don't let AI price too low. Always set a minimum profit threshold to protect your margins. The most successful sellers are brilliant at buying. In the past, this was intuition. Today, AI gives you the power to do this with data. Use AI tools to analyze eBay's sales velocity and search trends. They identify high-demand, low-competition products before they become saturated. This gives you a massive inventory advantage, helping you skate to where the puck is going, not where it has been. Shipping is a silent killer of profits. You might be overcharging some buyers and undercharging others, losing money on every transaction. Use AI to analyze your sales data and recommend the most profitable shipping carriers and service levels for different regions and product weights. This simple habit of rate shopping for every order can add significant percentage points back to your bottom line. A great description does more than list features. It sells benefits and creates an emotional connection with the buyer. Use generative AI to write product descriptions that focus on benefits and emotional language, not just features. This moves beyond the dry manual description to a persuasive sales pitch that converts browsers into buyers. We've made your workflow hyper-efficient and boosted your profit margins. But the final 3 strategies are the most important. They future-proof your business. As your sales grow, so does the time you spend answering the same questions over and over. These messages pull you away from growth activities. Integrate a simple AI chatbot to answer FAQs about shipping, returns, and item specifics 24/7. Key insight: only use it for level 1 questions. Forward complex issues to a human. This improves buyer satisfaction and frees your time. To truly scale, you cannot rely on a single sales channel. The best way to future-proof your income is to diversify. Use AI-powered cross-listing tools to instantly push your eBay listings to other marketplaces and automatically sync inventory levels. This multiplies your sales channels and audience without multiplying your workload. This is the ultimate scaling strategy. Most sellers operate by looking in the rear-view mirror. True business owners look ahead. Feed your historical sales data into an AI-enabled analytics tool to forecast sales for the next 6 to 12 months. This helps you make smarter decisions on inventory buying, seasonal pricing adjustments, and business investment. This is how you move from being a reseller to a data-driven e-commerce entrepreneur. The era of manual eBay selling is over. The 11 ways we covered today ensure you're moving faster, pricing better, and finding profitable inventory before the competition. Don't be the seller who waits until AI is a mandatory feature. Become the seller who masters it now. To help you get started immediately, I've put together a free AI eBay Business Starter Kit. It includes a checklist of all 11 strategies, direct links to the key tools mentioned, and a 5-step prompt cheat sheet for creating perfect listing titles with ChatGPT. Click the link in the description below to download it now. It's my gift to you. Which of these 11 AI strategies are you going to implement first? Is it the pricing, the listing creation, or the inventory sourcing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce growth strategies. See you next time.